Hey everyone and welcome back to Tech Aarambham. Today we are talking about Java, one of the most famous programming languages in the world. You might have heard many words like WORA, object-oriented, or security, but what do they really mean? Let us understand them in simple terms. 1. WORA, write once, run anywhere. Java is called write once, run anywhere because you can write code one time and run it on any computer, Windows, Mac, Linux, or even Android. That is because of the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which makes Java programs work everywhere without rewriting the code. To simplicity. Java looks like C or C++, but it is easier. It does not have confusing things like pointers. So the code is clean, easy to read, and easy to maintain, which is perfect for beginners and big projects. 3. Object-oriented OP. In Java, everything is an object like Lego blocks. We can reuse these blocks to make big programs. Concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism help organize code and make it powerful yet simple. 4. Security. Java is safe. It runs your code in a sandbox so harmful programs cannot affect your system. It also has strong checking and access controls to keep your data safe. Think of it like a security wall for your programs. 5. Robust, strong, and reliable. Java does not crash easily. It has exception handling, so even when errors happen, your app continues smoothly. Plus, garbage collection automatically cleans unused memory so your app stays fast and stable. 6. High performance. People think Java is slow, but that is not true. The JIT compiler just-in-time makes it faster by turning bytecode into real machine code while running. So Java is both fast and efficient. 7. Multithreading. Java can do many tasks at the same time. For example, an app can download data and still keep the screen working smoothly. This is called multithreading, and it helps make modern responsive apps. 8. Interpreted and compiled. Java is special because it is both compiled and interpreted. You write code, it becomes bytecode, and then the JVM reads and runs it. With the JIT compiler, it turns into machine code when needed, giving the best of both worlds. So that is why Java is still a powerful and trusted language even today. Stay tuned to Tech Aarambham for more easy tech lessons.